How to add and customize Wix Forms. In order to do that, just head over to your Wix app market and then just search in here for forms. So let me head over and search for that. And then from in there, you should be able to see in here your Wix Forms, which is this one. Head over and click on your Wix Forms. And then from in there, just make sure to install it. So on my case, I've already installed it because it comes pre-installed with my theme that I have selected. So from in there, just head over and click on this open right here in order to open this particular thing. Now, this will open your Wix website editor wherein you can actually input or add and create more forms and add it to your actual website. So onto our page right here, you can head over and then click on this plus icon and then click on this search and then search in here for form. Now, this will actually show you this. We have payment form, feedback form, and a lot more. So it's actually under contact and forms. So you can head over and then create a new form. You can also choose from pre-made forms. So for example, let's head over and then just choose in here a registration form. You can head over and then click on that. And then this will show you some examples of that. So just drag them wherever you want to add them. And then they should be added right here. And as you can see, they've been adding this particular forms to that particular part of the page. So just wait for this to be added. And then once it's been added right here, this will load like this in order to be added to the page. And you should be able to see it right here now. So that's how you add and customize Wix Forms. Hope we helped.